back to our channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day as always. So, in today's video, as you may have read by the title, today's video is going to be a productive day in my life. So, it's basically what I do when I don't have school, I'm on half term, basically how my day goes. So, it's basically a productive day, which is like a good day when I'm actually doing something and I've got into a good routine of what I'm doing. So, the first thing, as you can probably see by what I'm wearing right now, is we are going to be just getting on with our workout. Right now it is about 12 o'clock, just gone 12, so let's get this workout in. You will probably see a few videos back. I did do my workout, like show you my workout, so I'm not going to try not to say anything because you guys do know what I'm doing, but I'm going to go ahead and do a workout now, and I'll be back with you guys when I've... Okay, yeah, so I just finished my workout and I did take my Red Bull as it got really hot. So I just got my crop top on now, and this is this crop top. It's actually, I think I did tell you in the last video, it's from Next Home, I think. So now we are going to go downstairs and get some breakfast. My plan, we're going to go and get my protein shake. It is porridge oats, spinach, blueberries and protein powder and oat milk. So let's go downstairs and get our protein shake. Okay guys, so I've just put everything in the cup that I'm going to blend up. So right now in here there is spinach, oats and blueberries and a bit of vanilla protein powder. This is the protein powder I use. And then now we're just going to add a little bit of this in up to the max line and then put it into our cup. Now now we are going to put this into our cup, and then now this is actually good because now we put it all into our cup and then we only drink half today and then the other half is for tomorrow, so our protein shake is already all made for tomorrow. So let's put it into our cup. I'll do it first. So back upstairs now, so I'm just going to quickly drink my protein shake, and then we are going to, I might watch some James Charles' new YouTube video, which is playing Among Us live, which is where they're the Among Us characters, and it's quite funny. So, yeah, so we are now going to go ahead and watch that video while we're doing our video, and then after I finish I'll come back with you what we're doing next. So I've just finished the YouTube video that I was watching. It's actually so funny. Please do go check it out. It is James Charles' video. It's called Playing Among Us in Real Life, and it's so funny. I was honestly crying with laughter so much. You can see like my eyes watering. Anyway, I finished my protein shake. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge now for tomorrow's protein shake. But before we get into it, I just wanted to tell you all that my new YouTube video, I'm going to get up on the screen right now. My new YouTube video is out now, so if you are watching this, which would be a couple of days later, it is the What's in My School Bag one, so go check it out. And yeah, so yeah. But next, what we are going to be doing in a productive day in my life. So we have got up, we have done my workout, we've had my protein shake, and we have also chilled out a little bit. So now we're going to go ahead and basically just make our bed, spruce my room so my room's all clean, and then we are probably going to do our facial routine, and then I'm not too sure what we can do after that because I generally don't know what we're doing. But I also need to like clear loads of plates out of my room and just tidy it. So we're gonna go ahead and just tidy my bedroom. I'll probably set you up somewhere to put tiles on, but my first thing we're gonna do is to make my room a little bit more Christmassy. Is I'm actually gonna put some tinsel just on the top of here. As I thought, just a little Christmas spirit to my room. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm actually gonna set the camera up for that. So because I know that Okay guys, so I've just kind of cleared up this area, like it's so nice. I've done my little facial area, it's quite nice, and then like I just kind of fix all these drawers, and yeah, so I'm just about to clear that area, which will be done, that will be all done in a minute. But this legit is just kind of all done now. My room is kind of all clean, all spruced up. I've made my bed, and I think that now what we're going to do is we're going to actually do a makeup look on myself. So I might time lapse a little bit of it. So yeah, so we're going to now get all my makeup things all ready to go, get it all set up. And also, while I'm doing makeup, I am watching my favourite video of James Charles ever. He did another one, and I'm so happy. It's a unedited makeup tutorial, and it's like, you can see there, it's 1 hour and 17 minutes long. So that's basically how long it takes me to do makeup. So I'm going to watch that to entertain you while I'm doing makeup. And I'm also on FaceTime to Ella, which is my best friend. Toy was on, but she kind of left. Anyway, I'm going to get my makeup things ready, and I might do a little filming up with me doing it. But yeah, Alright, so I'm nearly finished with this makeup look. It's took me about an hour and a half to do this makeup look. Because obviously, if you don't know, when I'm older, I really do want to be like a beautician that, you know, does makeup, nails, basically just everything like that. So, if you guys do want more kind of makeup tutorials and stuff like that, don't forget to kind of comment down below because, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and basically what we're now going to do is we're going to put on some mascara. And when I do a mascara, I kind of just we are actually going to go ahead and do like a can do a nude. So basically what we'll do is we're doing this pinky kind of lip liner. So that lip liner done, and then we are actually gonna go ahead and get another one to go over the top. Okay guys, so that is the makeup look all done today. I did do a little nude lipstick, and I did some mascara and did the eyes I love, you know. But if you do, my camera died. So yes, I'm here. What I've just done, which I did not do because my camera died, is I have legit. Obviously, you saw me doing makeup. I curled my hair and I got into a nice outfit, a nice dress, and then I also took some Instagram photos. This dress, I think this dress is from I think it's from, what's the place called? Quiz. So that's where I dressed it from. If you didn't see on makeup properly, it's a good look. But yeah, this basic makeup. This makeup will be the makeup I'll do on Christmas Day. If you want a tutorial on how I design this look, don't forget to comment down below if you want a tutorial on how I did this makeup look, because honestly, I just kind of followed James Charles' tutorial when he did on Addison, and I, you know, did not the same products, but I did the same kind of routine. So if you do want a makeup tutorial on how I do this look, please do not forget to comment down below there. But yeah, that is basically what I do in a productive day, and also did take some Instagram photos. But basically what I do on a productive day is legit, I literally wake up, do a workout, have my protein shake, I spruce up my bedroom, which I need to do again because I've got makeup all over my bedroom, and then I, you know, get ready, do my makeup, and then normally just like do some stuff with social media, and then I basically just chill out for the rest of the day. But then at the end of the day, I always do some homework, which I'm actually about to do. I'm going to quickly spruce up my makeup area, then I'm going to do some homework. But yeah, normally I always leave homework to like Sundays, like so the whole Sunday I do homework after my workout. But yeah, that is basically what I do in a productive day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and oh my god, I can't talk. Do not forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you guys would like to see next, because honestly, no one's been requesting stuff. So if you like this video, don't forget to comment down below, like and subscribe, and comment down.
I can't talk. So if you like this video, do not forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you guys would like to see next, and I will do another video for you next. Vlogmas is here. It is here. It is right now. So new videos every single day. I'm not too sure what time the videos will be going out, but I do promise you that there will be new videos every single day. So hope you will enjoy the Vlogmas time. It's crazy. It's like yesterday was April, which was my birthday, but no, it was like 6 months ago. So yeah, I hope you liked it. I'm dying, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.